Hopefully my YouTube will work today. It's been freezing and cutting off and everything. Okay, I think we're ready to go. Alrighty. Okay. All right, the court is calling cause number 2015 DCM 0908. This is a hearing on a petition filed by the Attorney General's office. The motion is entitled A Suit Affecting Parent-Child Relationship. The parties in this case are Chris Flores and Myra Martinez. Let the record reflect that this matter is scheduled for a hearing today, March the 9th at 8 o'clock. It is now 8:20. Mr. Flores is not present. The return indicates that he was served with citation back on August the 13th of this past year. There is a response filed by Mr. Flores advising the court that he's currently incarcerated in one of the facilities of the Texas Department of Corrections. Other than that, there is no response filed by Mr. Flores at this time. My name is Antonio Rodriguez. I am the Associate Judge for the Title 4D Court here in El Paso, Texas. And we are appearing on this matter based on a Zoom application since we cannot appear in court due to the current pandemic crisis that's going on in our community. However, the courts have allowed us to conduct our hearings remotely, and we're doing so on this Zoom application. Further, in compliance with the Texas rules that we have to keep our courts open to the public, this matter is also being live streamed on the YouTube channel. However, as soon as the hearing is completed, that live stream will be taken off the YouTube channel. I am recording the evidence on the computer-generated system. That is the official record of the proceedings here today. No other person is authorized to record any of the proceedings here today. At this time, the case is being called. Mr. Flores is not present. Only Ms. Myra Martinez is present. Is the state ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Martinez, I'll ask you to please raise your right hand, ma'am. Ms. Martinez, do you swear or affirm that the testimony that you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? And we need to speak up. Okay, I don't know if you're still muted, ma'am. You need to unmute.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. All right. All right, Ms. Kaplan, go ahead.
Yes, the state calls Ms. Martinez as a witness.
Okay, go ahead. She's been sworn in.
Ma'am, what is your name?
Myra Martinez.
And who are you the mother of?
Driana Flores.
And who is her father?
Chris Flores.
And do you recall signing an acknowledgement of paternity in this case?
Yes.
The state offers the acknowledgement of paternity for in-camera inspection only.
All right.
The state also requests that the court take judicial notice of the prior order in this case entitled the agreed order in suit establishing the parent-child relationship and suit for modification and order conforming support that was signed on or about November 3rd of 2016.
All right. Court will take judicial notice of the acknowledgement of paternity with regard to the child that's being added to this case. That acknowledgement does appear to be in proper form. So we'll take judicial notice of the acknowledgement of paternity. Further, the court will take judicial notice of the underlying court order of 2016 that is filed with the clerk's office and maintained by the Odyssey system. That order does appear to be also in proper form, so I will take judicial notice of the 2016 court order. Go ahead, Ms. Kaplan.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, the state also offers the financial activity report under Texas Family Code 157.162 as an updated version of what was served upon the parties.
All right, the court will take judicial notice of the updated financial report. Go ahead, Ms. Kaplan.
Ma'am, do you know where Mr. Flores is at this time?
Present.
Your Honor, the state further requests that notice be taken of the answer that's on file with the court January 8th of 2021.
Okay. I will take judicial notice of the response filed by Mr. Flores that has been filed with the clerk's office. I will take judicial notice of the response filed by Mr. Flores.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ma'am, are you aware of any income that Mr. Flores has despite being incarcerated?
No, ma'am.
Are you aware of any other children that he has a duty to support?
No, just my 3 daughters.
Do you know when he's expected to be released from prison?
October of 2022.
And do you recall when he went to prison?
July of 2018. I'm not sure.
And did he provide support for your daughter, Triana, until he went to prison?
Like a month when she was born.
Would you like back support from the time that Triana was a month old until he went to prison?
No, ma'am.
And why do you not want back support?
Because he's in prison.
And do you have any safety concerns with Mr. Flores?
Yes.
And due to those concerns, do you feel it's in your best interest and your children's best interest that your address and other personal information not be disclosed?
Yes.
And have you ever received any money directly from him for the support of your children?
Directly?
Yes, has he ever given you money directly?
Yes.
How much money has he given you directly?
To be honest, you say for all 3 of them?
Yes, for all 3 of your children?
I don't have a exact amount, but I'm saying like 1,000, I think. Because he have helped me with clothes, like things they need.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. No further questions for this witness.
Okay. state recommendation on this matter?
Your Honor, the state is recommending a zero child support obligation beginning April 1st of 2021, that the mother of the children, Ms. Martinez, be ordered to continue to apply for maintained government insurance, and that medical support amount from the prior order be modified to zero due to incarceration, that the non-disclosure finding of Ms. Martinez's information be continued for her continued safety, and that a judgment be taken on the arrears owed with no award for retroactive support, as Ms. Martinez is not seeking one due to his incarceration. And I defer to the court regarding the issue of whether or not to give credit for any direct payment.
Ms. Martinez, when was it that Mr. Flores gave you direct payments that didn't go through the court? How long ago was it?
Years ago. To be honest, can't remember.
All right, well, we're gonna go ahead and confirm the child support and medical support arrears as of the last day of the previous month. No credits. What would that be, Ms. Kaplan? What would be the final judgment? Okay, I have 16,000, according to the financial reports, as of February 28th, there's a rearage of $16,078.77, child support, $1,975 in medical support, to be confirmed as of the end of February, as evidenced by the financial report. Suggested payments on the judgments, Ms. Kaplan. Well, if there's no suggestion, then I'll set payments on the child support at $100 and 25 on the medical support arrears commencing April 1. And I'll grant the non-disclosure of Ms. Martinez's information not to be included in the court order. Is there anything else, Ms. Kaplan?
Nothing further from the state, Your Honor.
All right, go ahead and prepare the order, which I had just rendered, send it to me through that DocuSign, and I will sign it. And the parties will receive a copy of the orders. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
That concludes the hearing. Thank you, Ms. Martinez. You're free to go, ma'am.
Thank you.